Are you an Ethereum investor? If so, you'll want to tune in to this video because we have exciting news for you. The highly anticipated Shapella upgrade has finally gone live, and it's a game changer for the cryptocurrency world. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of the upgrade, including staking withdrawals and increased network security, as well as the potential risks and concerns. We'll also explore why Ethereum is still a compelling investment opportunity despite its volatility and offer some insights into its long-term bullishness. So, stay tuned and learn why Ethereum is a must-have asset in your investment portfolio. Are you an Ethereum investor or someone interested in the world of cryptocurrency? If so, you're in luck. The much-anticipated Shapella upgrade for Ethereum has finally gone live, and it's a significant development for the cryptocurrency world. The upgrade enables staking withdrawals, which means that you can earn a yield without sacrificing liquidity, increasing network security, and reducing investment risk. This latest upgrade is just the latest example of Ethereum's developers' dedication to continually improve the cryptocurrency, making it one of the most compelling cryptocurrency investments. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the Shapella upgrade and explore the benefits and potential risks for investors. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Exciting news for Ethereum investors as the much-anticipated Shapella upgrade has finally gone live. This upgrade enables staking withdrawals, which is a significant development for the cryptocurrency world, and it has brought many long-term positives for Ethereum investors. There were initial concerns that the upgrade could lead to a sell-off, but the opposite happened as investors focused on the long-term benefits of the upgrade. Ethereum has become one of the most compelling cryptocurrency investments because its developers are continually working to improve it. The Shapella upgrade is just the latest example of this dedication, as staked Ethereum can now be withdrawn. As I mentioned in a previous article I wrote back in February, the Ethereum upgrade that enables staking withdrawals was imminent. Ethereum's development team had successfully run testnets, which indicated that the upgrade would soon be available for all users. The key benefits of this upgrade include the ability to earn a yield without sacrificing liquidity, increasing network security, and reducing investment risk. Now that the Shapella upgrade has finally gone live on April 12, enabling staking withdrawals for all users, many investors were concerned that short-term selling pressure could occur as staked Ethereum becomes readily available for sale. However, Ethereum has risen 12% against the US dollar over the past week, proving that those who staked Ethereum are mostly long-term holders. It's essential to remember that Ethereum is still a risky and volatile asset, but the Shapella upgrade has only increased long-term bullishness about the cryptocurrency. It has become very similar to an appealing growth stock, offering a yield, being deflationary, liquid, growing quickly, and proving that it has practical uses in areas like decentralized finance and smart contracts. Therefore, Ethereum is expected to outperform the market in the long term despite some volatility along the way. There are a couple of issues to consider when looking at the Shapella upgrade. Even after the upgrade, there is still a limit to how much ETH can be unstaked each day, an issue that is arguably exacerbated by exchanges that offer staking. Coinbase is currently quoting a 21-day wait time to unstake Ethereum, so staked Ethereum may not be fully liquid. Another concern for risk-averse investors is that Ethereum's staking yield is offered in ETH rather than USD, which means that its value will fluctuate with Ethereum's price. However, despite these concerns, Ethereum remains a compelling investment that offers a more liquid yield now that staking withdrawals are live. The Shapella upgrade has pushed Ethereum's price higher, and with many more upgrades in the pipeline that could catalyze increased usage and a higher price, Ethereum is still well below its all-time highs, making it an excellent opportunity for investors. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.